Alright, here we are. Let me show you the system that allows to monitor all infrastructure projects that we created for city hall of one of the city, Kazakhstan, with quite big city with population around 400,000 citizens. We created this system on Bubble. It allows City Hall officers to see all information about its infrastructure projects that they have. On the main page, we have basic statistics about project, contractors, total budget, and here are three deputies of the city hall mayor, city mayor. If we click on the name of one of the deputies, we go to the departments page. These are the departments that are controlled by this deputy and projects of each department. You can also filter this project, delete projects or archives. The system sends all projects expired 6 or more months. We go to archive folder. By clicking on the title, you can go directly to the project page, or you can also add a new project to the construction department, for example. By clicking create button, you can add a new project, typing new title, adding dates of these projects, its constructor, and also which budgets the money comes from, and total amount will be calculated automatically. Let's go now to the project page. That's the project page with the general information about our infrastructure project. Only admin or city mayor can change this information, for example, to change the dates of the projects or budgets or responsible specialist. Each project consists of several tasks, and each task contains several subtasks. Here we can see several tasks with many subtasks. Task has initial date, that is the earliest date of the first date of the first subtask, and the end date, that's the end date of the last subtask. They are calculated automatically, but all these dates have to be within the project term. And for each subtask, it is possible to add a photo. No matter where we add the photo, the last photo will be displayed here with the description where this photo is located, which project it belongs. We also have the system of confirming that each subtask was terminated. It works like that. An employee of the department check each subtask, then press the button, and his superior, head of the department, receives an email that this particular subtask was checked. He or she can confirm or deny that. And admin also has the same options. You can confirm or deny it. And when these are confirmed, then we change statistics. For example, here we have 6 subtasks, 4 out of 6 are completed. That means 67% of these tasks is completed, and it also calculates the amount of days to the last project, but here we already have almost 2 minutes delay. And it also affects total statistics of the project. As you can see, you can also leave comments. Comments author can modify its comment as the field to add new subtask or to add new task. We also have a page for task with just basic information about the task, also with the option to comment it and to see the photos on the big screen. From here you can go back to the project or to the department page or by clicking these links as well. The most interesting part is personal account of the admin. This is where city mayor can see all information about all projects, all budgets. Also we have infographics, how much money for each department, as you can see, information about each department, how much money was allocated or expended for each of the, currently we have 5 departments. There is information about projects that were completed, and by clicking here you can also go back to the project page. We also were asked to do these pages with information about delayed projects, because one of the main reasons that City Hall needed this program is that they did not have information in one place about all their projects, about all end dates, and here they can see everything, which projects were delayed, and by clicking to the project you can go back to the project page and change the end date of the project if you need it, of course. Let's go back. And also information about all projects with a completion date of 15 days or less. For example, this project expires in 2 days. It has 73% of completeness, so an admin can click this title, go to the project page and, for example, change the date or check maybe some subtasks were completed, and in reality that's more than 73%. The most interesting part is with the report. We have this table with information on all infrastructure projects, and we have 7 inputs we can sort. For example, let's choose like this project, and when we choose this specific project, of course other inputs are not relevant, so we have this table with only one report and with one project and information about this project, empty all fields. Also, we can have a table with information about all projects that are controlled by some deputy or by some department, or with this or that budget status, or with some specific contractor, or project status only current or only delayed. And when we choose one input, other inputs that are not relevant, for example, these are not relevant, we have table already sorted. Let's do that. We can choose this specific deputy. We have 16 projects, all controlled by this deputy. Let's choose one department. Now we have 8 projects for this deputy and this department. 2 conditions, and let's choose also delayed. Now we have 3 conditions, and we have just 3 projects that are delayed, that are controlled by this deputy, and that are from construction department. You can press here and have this report in Excel. We can of course do it in PDF. In addition to that, we have some additional information. For example, this is a budget report by department. You can choose some departments or all departments to have information about total budget of each department and how much money are from Republican budget, province budget, local budget, and so on. Like that, and you can also print that. Another by spent funds, how much money is spent out of total budget of the department. And this is some kind of repetitive from the table we saw earlier, that as I said, it's important for the city hall to see whether this or that project is delayed or can be delayed. So here we have information that, for example, this project, we have 3 days left possible delay. So if you have some meeting, then you have all this information, and you can ask, the city hall mayor can ask its deputies whether it is everything okay with this project or not. And as far as this system was done for Kazakhstan City Hall, we have it in several languages. All pages are in several languages. For example, here it's in Kazakh language. All pages are translated. Okay, that's the system we created.